Welcome to the Knute Rockne Travel Plaza here on the Indiana Toll Road. That is right. We are on yet another Michiana road trip. And I did feature this service plaza on a previous vlog. I will link that video below. I visited here not long after this remodeled service plaza opened. And we are back on this Michiana road trip, and we are going to get some breakfast inside this time. So let's go. We will find out when we get inside, but I believe our best breakfast option is going to be Burger King. I haven't had a Burger King breakfast in forever, so that should be interesting. And here we are. We have a Starbucks and a Welcome Center and a 7-Eleven over there. We have a Burger King down there and a Sbarro, which doesn't appear to be open currently, as well as an Auntie Anne's, which is also not currently open. Their version of a gift shop is apparently self-pay now. That is different. A few little convenience items and a couple of Indiana souvenirs, but not too much. Pretty sparse, unfortunately. The gift shop they had in the older service plazas was much better than this. And a seating area over here. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you got your selection of brochures. Definitely gonna have to pick something up. Not too bad. A lot of windows, definitely open lighting here. It's pretty nice. Overall, a good layout. Definitely hasn't changed much since my last visit here. Even though in theory this should be the same size, this new open layout makes this service plaza feel much smaller now, at least to me. I felt that way last time, and still walking through, it feels a lot smaller, but it's on the same property, so in theory it's the same size. I don't know. Alright, I guess we'll see what Burger King has to offer for breakfast. And this is what we're dealing with. Nothing too fancy. We just have a ham, egg, and cheese sandwich. Just a little something to fill us up a bit and continue on down the road. Pretty good. I always typically go with sausage and egg, but saw the ham and thought, try something a little different. I like that it's on the croissant bread. That's always nice. I'm definitely going to miss the old style of service plazas. I miss the old styles from Ohio as well. I miss the old oases in Illinois, but things change, things modernize. It's a nice little area. Just like I said, for some reason, even though I know it's not, it feels a little smaller here. But this is definitely a more open concept feel, which is definitely what the newer service plazas and oases have been going for. Now, as I've discussed in my previous Indiana Service Plaza videos, there is an interesting change where not only did they take away the 5th and farthest east Service Plaza, but they are also alternating between a normal service plaza like this and basically a 7-Eleven style gas station convenience store. So the two other service plazas, which I also did feature in my vlog, is really not much more than a convenience store. There's no sit down areas like this and restaurants like the Burger King and Sbarro's and stuff. It's just a quick little convenience store. Definitely not a fan of those. These are okay, but the other ones, yeah, I'm not sure exactly what the point of that was, but that's what they did. I mean, there's only 4 service plazas as it is now on the Indiana Toll Road, so it's not a ton. Why they felt they had to alternate between a full service and not so full service, I don't really understand that. Yeah, they're only about 30 miles or so apart, but still, you know, make them all full service, maybe alternate the restaurants up a little bit like they typically have done. So very strange decision there. And to get rid of the old full service ones and then to turn it into those is, yeah, that stinks a bit in my opinion. You know, the first one that was close to the Portage LaPorte area, right when the Indiana Toll Road started, that was pretty cool. It used to be a Hardee's, had the nice gift shop and everything, and that was completely changed to basically a gas station. And that was really the closest to the Chicago area if I wanted to visit an Indiana Toll Road Service Plaza, and now it's, you know, basically nothing really. I have to drive basically to this one, which is the closest full service plaza on the Indiana Toll Road. But they have a decent amount of seating at least. Now, I don't know why, but I really want to take this Toledo brochure. Interesting. Now, as nice as this service plaza is, we didn't come to Michiana just for the service plaza. We do have a few more stops to make, so make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next stop.